Go to the studio. Click on the transactional process. Email automation 2. Click on that open main workflow. Remove this flowchart. Drag a sequence. Set as start node. See, observe this one. If you want to read that mails, so first of all, we have to use that use these activities. See, if we want to send a mail, we have used that activity is called as a send Outlook and send SMTP and send exchange mail message. Like these are the activities we have used it. Right now, already in my inbox, I have some mails. Okay, I want to read that mails. Okay, see, it may be that Outlook, it may be that Exchange server, it may be that so IBM notes, and it may be that any other mail server. Okay, it may be that webmail. This time we can use that activity is called as so get IMAP mail message activity or get POP3 mail message activity. Anyone we can use it from that. So any other mail servers itself, if you want to read that mails, use these activities. In case so if you want to read that mail from your Outlook, this time get Outlook mail message is the activity. Get Outlook mail message is the activity. See, very frequently we are using that get Outlook mail message. Right now we don't have an Outlook, so that's why I want to use that get IMAP mail message is the activity. Right now, drag and drop, drag and drop. See, I want to show you the difference between both of get Outlook as well as get Outlook as well as so get Outlook as well as get IMAP mail message activity. I will show you the difference. See, go to that get Outlook mail message activity, go to the properties. Here, give that email account name and then so inbox. So mail folder name is called as inbox, and then simply so select the top unread mails. Okay, number of unread mails. See, and then see, observe this one. Create that output property. Okay, here no need of more information. Here no need of more information, but go to that get IMAP mail message activity. Get IMAP mail message activity. Go to this properties. Here, go to this properties. Here, observe this one. If you use that get IMAP mail message, use the port number, server name, and then so Gmail account, that password is required. So rest of one is same. Okay, what are the top mails, and then create that output property. Okay, right now, we don't have an Outlook, so that's why I want to use that get IMAP mail message activity, and I will show you that sample. So I want to show you the third example. Okay, so yesterday, what are the Gmail I have used? I want to open that one. Actually, in this automation, so no need to open that any mail account. Okay, no need to open that any mail account. See, observe this one. Already, so whatever that Gmail security settings yesterday already we have disabled, right? So disabled. So our bot it will be log on to that mail account and then so read that mails. Now worry. Right now, observe this one. See, yesterday I have sent that mails at that time. For I have given that port number is called as 465. That is called as sending port number. Okay, Gmail sending port. So and right now I am going to read that mails from that Gmail itself. This time we have to give that so receiving port mail. Okay, so where that means Gmail receiving port is called as 993. So where exactly we'll get that port numbers? So see, simply I want to show you. Click here, click on that settings, see all settings, see click on that forward and forwarding and pop or IMAP. Click on that. See, observe this one. Right now I want to click on that IMAP. See, observe this. See, outgoing mail, SMTP server. See, 465. 465 is the port number for sending mails and incoming mails. This is the IMAP port number is called as 993 is the port number for every mail account. So they have their own port numbers. Okay, so right now I'm closing this one. I want to go to my inbox. See, observe this one. I want to read that mails from this Gmail account. So right now click here, go to the properties. In this one I want to give that port number is called as 993. Okay, see, observe this one. The mail folder by default inbox, right? But in my mail, actually, so here, observe this one. See, in my mail, I have a inbox, but based on the requirement, okay, so I have created more than one labels. That means folders. Okay, observe this one. Create a new label. Click here. I want to give that label name is called as, say, um, see, one new label created here, like inbox. See, by default, here the mail folder name is called as inbox. If you have any one of your own labels are there, okay, you can give that label, and then from that label itself, that means from that folder itself, we can read that mails. Okay, priority base, we are sending that mails, we are moving that mails into our own folders. Okay, in that folder itself, if you want to read that mail at that time, so in this mail folder property, give that so folder name. Okay, right now, say port number is called as 993, server is called as server is called as imap.gmail.com, imap.gmail.com. Click on that. Okay, my email is called as my email is I want to read the mails from this account itself, so that's why I'm copying that mail ID. Just I want to paste it here. Control V. Click on that. Okay, and then add the password. The password is called as Srikar@123. Click on that. Okay, and then say right now I want to read top 5 unread mails. I have no need to read that. So all of these mails, 30 mails, I want to read top 5 unread mails. Right now, click on that. Okay, and then right now, see, right now, I'm creating that output property. I don't know what exactly the output type. So that's why I am creating that output property by using that shortcut control K, var mail. Just I have created. Go to the properties. Sorry, go to the variable panel. See what exactly the data type. See system dot collections dot generic list. See, the type is called, this is called as a list. The type is called as system dot net dot mail dot mail message is the type. System dot net dot mail message is the type. Right now, go to that main scope, and then right now remove this one. See, right now go to that for each activity, drag and drop. See, so get IMAP mail message type is called as system.net.mail.mail message is the type. So that's why the for each activity type also you have to change with the same. So right now there is no such data type here. Click on that browse for types and then system dot net dot mail dot mail message. Click on that. Click on that. Okay. Okay. Right now, see, simply already type I have changed. So object to system.net.mail.mail message is the type. See, I have passed that variable. Right now, it will be read that unread mails. So that will be so copied into that item. Right now, I will show you. See, here I have very few unread mails, right? See, click here, mark as unread. Mark as unread. Right now, observe this one. See, click here. Sorry. Stop it here. From each and every mail itself, I want to get the subject. Okay, I want to get the subject. Subject or body of the content. I want to get it right now. Okay, here overall, I think 8 to 9 mails are there. In that one, I have a 5 unread mails are there. I want to read each and every mail subject. So this time, go to that message box, go to that activity panel, drag that message box, drag and drop, drag and drop. Right now, see item dot, item dot, item dot. If you want to get the subject, simply type that subject. So right now, item dot, if you want to get that body, simply type that body. Okay. And then like whatever, if you want sender name, so sender. If you want, okay, so see date. So current, whatever that mail date, we can get it. And then if you want to take that receiver mail, so then, sorry, not reply. Okay. So sender name. Okay. Like we have several methods are available. Just we have to get it. Right now, I want to take the subject. Okay. Subject. So right now, click on the debug. Observe this one. Test, test, test. Critical security alert. Srikar, okay, finish settings of your new Google account. Like whatever that unread mails are there, successfully read their mail subjects. Okay, see, observe this one. Right now, based on the requirement, I want to download an attachment from that mail itself. Right now, here one of the mail is there. In this mail, I have an attachment. Right now, I want to download that attachment. See right now, so click here, save as, save as, see, download attachment, click on that save. Observe this one. So nothing in my F drive. Whatever the downloaded file is there, whatever the downloaded file is in, so whatever the downloaded file is there, that downloaded file, I will send it to that. I will send it to my F drive. Okay, right now observe this one. If you want to download that attachment, you have to use that activity is called as save attachment. Is the activity, drag and drop, drag and drop. Right now, go to the property. See here, give that mail is called as item. It contains that each and every mail. So right now, here I want to give that path. Right now, f colon slash. Okay, observe this one. So I have your one mail. That mail contains that attachment. Okay, right now click here, run this file. Observe this one. Successfully downloaded that attachment from that mail itself. Okay, see, downloaded that mail, download that attachment from that mail itself. Okay, see, I want to show you one more example. See, go to my Gmail account. See, actually in this is the Srekar account. Okay, right now I will copy this one. I want to send a mail to the Srekar account. Right now, copy. Okay, right now copy, and then see, go to that inbox. Right now, see, compose, subject is process documents. That is the subject. I'm not writing that any. See, right now, see, there is a one text file. There is one interview questions. That is a one MS Word document. And one class notes. Sorry. my sample. Okay, see, observe this one. See, observe this one. I want to select that different documents. My sample, that is that is called as one Excel file, one is um, .txt file, one is the Word document, and I want to select one more document. Okay, right now I have added 4 attachments. Okay, right now click on that, send it. See, refresh this one. See, received that mail. Okay, so here already received that mail. Actually, this mail contains more than one attachments. Contains attachments or not? Okay, okay, right. So right now, just I want to unread this one. Okay, mark as unread. See, observe this one. So first mail contains 4 attachments and second mail contains one attachment. Okay, right now, see, right now. So what are the previously I have created that workflow. In this one, I have used that save attachments, right? I have used that save attachments. Right now, observe this one. In my F drive, nothing. Once, if I execute this process, what will happen? Click here. Observe this one. It downloaded that all the attachments. See, observe this one. Here, the first mail contains 4 attachments. I think 3, 4. And then second mail contains only one attachment. Okay. But so whatever that unread mails are there, from all the unread mails itself it downloaded that attachments, but I don't like it. So based on that subject, the particular mail itself only I want to download that attachment. Okay, see, observe this one. Right now, if he wants to take a decision based on the subject, this time use that one if activity, use that one if activity inside that for each. So right now, see, the item dot subject dot subject dot contains, just just a minute. See, observe this one. See, item dot subject dot contains of contains of test. Here I am filtering that mails based on that subject. If the subject line having the test, okay, then that mail only I wants to read it. Okay, from that mail itself I wants to download that attachments. Okay, observe this one. It is, I will move it into if branch. Okay, right now observe this one. So here there is no attachments in F drive, but in your mail, in the first mail, okay, in first mail you have a more than one attachments, but second mail it it contains only one attachment. If I execute, only it will be download the attachment from that second mail itself. First mail subject not matched with that one, so that's why it never downloaded. Okay, right now click here, run this file. Observe this one. First mail contains that more than one attachments, but it downloaded subject matched. So mail only, mail itself only, it is downloaded that attachment. Okay, downloaded that attachment. Okay, so right now I'm removing that sample. Okay, see, observe this one. Save as. Subject 3. Download attachments 3. See, right now I want to change my subject line. My subject line is process, process, process. If the subject line contains process, so that mail only, that mail itself, you have to download the attachments. This time, process, process. Okay. Right now, click here, run this file. Observe this one. This time it will download more than one attachments. See, what are the attachments are there? All the attachments downloaded from that mail itself. Okay, all the attachments downloaded from that mail itself. So right now, observe this one. I want to remove all of these. See, observe this. See, observe this. Here I have one text file and one Word document, one .xlsx file, and then one, okay, another MS Word document. From this mail itself, I want to download only .docx files. Okay, in my mail it contains more than one attachments. Okay, from that mail itself, I want to download only .docx file or only .xlsx file or only text file. That only we have to download it. See, observe this one. This time we can filter that documents. Okay, right now it is, I want to unread this one. Okay, see, observe this one. Specific extension, that means specific files only I want to download it. Right now, observe this one. In my, so after there is no attachments. Right now, sorry, there is no downloaded files. Right now, see, I want to download only specific file. So this time, go to the properties. In this properties, here we have a option is called as filter. So click on this filter, and then right now double quotes, dot. What exactly he wants to download it from that one? I wants to download only .txt file, txt. I have only one file, right? More than one attachments, but from that more than one attachments itself, I wants to download only .txt file. Right now, click on that OK. Right now, see here in my after I have no downloads. See, click here, run this file. Check it. Only .txt file downloaded, right? So this time I want to download all the MS Word documents. See, I want to change that extension is called as .docx. Okay, click on that. Okay. Right now, observe this one. In that mail, I have two .docx files. So I will check it whether it is downloading two attachments or not. Right now, observe this one. Two attachments downloaded directly. Okay. See, one more filtering. So I wants to give that completely the specific name. Based on that name, I wants to download that attachment. I want to give that name of the attachment. Already customer given that name of the file. That name of the file only. Just you have to download it. This time, see, observe this one. What exactly that file names? So course content. Okay. See, based on that name, I want to download one attachment. See, course content dot docx. See, observe this one. There is no downloads files here. Right now, click here, run this file. Only course content file downloaded. So based on your requirement, we can download that attachments. So we can filter it. So based on the and interview point of view, they will ask you how can you download that specific attachment from that mail itself. A mail contains more than one attachments, but you have to download a specific type of mail or specific name of the mail. Sorry, specific name of the attachment or a specific type of the attachments only. You have to download it. Then so we have to use that filter property to download that so attachments. So filter that attachment and download it. Do you have any doubts here?